gonna ride till I can't no more. Got the horses in the back. So guys, so far it's been a blast. This is day 2 in Portugal, San Miguel. We're gonna be heading down to the beach right now for the first time. Yesterday was a busy day. I got some sleep, I got some rest. We're all rested up now, and tonight, or today, right now, right after this, we're gonna be heading to the beach, guys. So stay tuned. You guys are coming along with us, LEOPAZZO TV.
You know we get it every weekend. You know that we don't play. And what I do, it ain't no secret. You know that we don't play. I keep it 100 as I leak it. You know that we don't play. Yeah, I'm on my way and I'm here to stay.
What's going on, guys? We just got down here to the beach. It's such a beautiful day. The sand is super hot on my feet. Good thing I got my sandals. Got the kids already in the water right now, checking it out. This is the first time at the beach here. I'm not sure the exact name. I'll let you know once the wife comes, the name of this beach, La Playa. Look at this view, man.
This massive wave came,
yeah.
And Leo told me before, in the wave it literally sucked me in.
Yeah, that's why Alfredo was calling you. Guys, the water's a little bit cold right now. I put my feet inside the water. It feels pretty cool. Other than that, there's not much seaweed. It's very beautiful. There's no rocks and stuff at the bottom here touching my feet. No seaweed. Waves are pretty fun. Not crazy amount of waves, but there are a few waves coming in here and here. The kids are having a blast. You guys having fun?
Yeah!
Yeah, the kids are having fun right now. Guys, this beach is fantastic. The sun just went away, getting blocked away from these clouds. But look at this view up here, man. I'm over here by the parking lot, right here at the top of the beach. Alright guys, we just got back here to the house where we're staying at, and we are going to be heading out to the pineapple factory. Yes, the pineapple factory, or maybe it's not a factory, but maybe the pineapple place or something like that. I don't know. Oh man, my tongue's super red. I just had a starburst. That thing just went ham. Kind of got a little bit rainy over here. The clouds are just kind of covering up the sky right now. We figured we'd make the most of it. We'll make a little trip in the car to the pineapple factory. Portugal is well known for the pineapples, so we're gonna go take a trip down there right now and go check it out, show the kids, and show you guys what it's all about. Hey guys, since we're in here in the car, I wanted to show you guys my rental that I got here for the week. It is a Nissan something. I told you I was going to tell you the name of the car, and it looks like it's a Micra Nissan. And I'm assuming it's a 4-cylinder, 5-speed. We got alloy rims, nice little paint job. We got some nice tints, the nice stereo system. And this is what it is, man. We got a small little 2019 Nissan car for our vacation. We rented this, and we got to bring it back in 2 weeks. We just filled up gas. Actually, to fill this thing up was 45 euros. So I just paid 45 euros to fill this bad boy up. But I just wanted to show you guys this interior as I am waiting here for my family that looks like they're ready and they're making their way back here. But this is a quick little look here at this Nissan little rental that we got, and we're gonna be heading off to the mall right now. Alright guys, we just got down here to the mall, and we're gonna check out a few stores, see what they have here. The wife's already in this like girly store over here with bathing suits and whatnot, but I'm gonna take a little stroll, see what I can find for you guys, show you guys what, oh, look at this. Little arcade in here. What? Looks like a movie theater arcade situation. We got some shoe stores. Oh, there's a McDonald's over here. McDonald's right over there. Food court. Let's see what they got. Food section over here. We're gonna go out for dinner soon. I see some like big fish, some big like fish shark thing over here hanging from the ceiling as decoration. Let's go check it out. Babe, what'd you find there?
Shoes.
Of course you did, right?
They're cheap though.
Cheap? How cheap is cheap?
23 euros.
You're looking at this pair right here. Want to see the side? How they feel?
They feel okay actually.
So you found another pair?
Yeah, what do you like better?
Well, I don't know. They both look nice. Oh, that's the first pair, and that's the second pair. Let me see the other pair. Oh. Yeah, they're okay. I think I like the one on your left foot.
This one?
Yeah. Guys, I never seen a shoe store with so many soccer shoes, guys. These are all soccer shoes. Look at this. Oh, more soccer shoes. More soccer shoes over there. Soccer shoes everywhere. Look at these. These are sick. So here's an electronics store that I found. Wharton. This is the name of the grocery store that we went to buy groceries for the week. Guys, we just finished getting some groceries here at the grocery store. I already got myself a nice Bella Mint coffee. Christine wants a coffee right now. So let's go get a coffee. You having a good time so far?
Yeah, this is mine and my dad's handshake.
You guys want to show them our handshake?
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you on our next handshake. Look at this donut. Oh my god, this looks amazing, bro. Look at this little dessert here too. Isn't that cool, little starfish? Well guys, that looks like a wrap for today's video. Thanks very much for tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe right now if you guys haven't subscribed already, and we'll see you guys in the next video.